we're just getting a sense of the quality of movement. So, and one of the things that we often don't consider is the actual axial loading through the leg in injuries. So we might think, say, of the rotation and that kind of thing, but how is it also dealing with the compression and release as we walk or run and things as well? So this gives a really good feedback as to what that can be. And I'm just trying to keep my hands soft and using my hands to feedback, well, what's the tone in those muscles? I'm not seeking to do anything at this point. I'm really just seeing, is there any spasm or any tension? Is there any pain? You know, sometimes, as we know, even when we pick up a leg, that can be painful. Okay, if it is, how is it painful? Where are they experiencing it? Is it that they're just holding really, really tight? In which case, I might just slowly just persuade them to just gently let the leg drop. So I'm trying to engage everything in that passive way. And that enables that coordinated movement to occur through the leg.
I think anyone who's, like we all have been working with patients for years, will know that if you put your hands on someone, you will know if they want you to touch them or not.
Yeah.
And I think it's almost like this gentle engagement, almost like a dance to some extent.
Exactly
right?
that, yes.
Whereby actually confidence and all of that is infectious.
Yes.
The patient feels it too.
Yes.
And I think that will just add to a nicer experience for them.
Absolutely, absolutely. So you want the experience to be pleasant for the patient. I think what I was guilty of as a student and as I graduated and developed was rushing in. Okay, you've got a knee problem. I'm gonna rush and examine your knee. Whereas often that can be painful and sensitive for the patient. Whereas if we take a step back and just explore, well, what are the global mechanics going through a limb, say, to begin with, it also allows them just to relax and let go.
We perhaps forget, don't we, after all our years of doing it to each other, that there are a lot of people out there who are not used to strangers putting hands on knees or other parts of their body.
Yes, exactly. And if we rush and if we grab, exactly like you say, they'll feel it. There'll be an instinctive contracture, a holding, and then the treatment isn't perhaps going to be as effective as it could be. So I would say it's really important to start with that distant view. You know, if you're setting up the stage for your play, you want to walk on and gradually just cajole the audience. You don't want to go in and make them jump. You know, you want to gradually get them to soften with you.